Northwest Nova here. I'm going to do a video on the difference in vent window assemblies between the different body styles on 1962 through 67 Chevy II Novas. The vent window assembly used on coupes and convertibles is not the same as the ones used on all sedans and wagons. This can get you into trouble if you have the wrong parts. So let's point out the differences here. On the top of the pile is a 2- and 4-door sedan and wagon vent window assembly. The bottom of the pile here is a coupe and convertible one. The first difference has to do with what is actually a glass stop. The sedan just has this bracket right here, spot welded on, and that chrome screw that's hard to remove that comes through the door goes there. Again, this is the sedan wagon one. The coupe has this bracket. This is a glass stop. The chrome frame that holds the glass on coupes and convertibles bumps into this. This is what keeps the window, or one of the things that keeps the window from rolling up all the way. It also has the hole that takes the chrome screw. So this is the big difference between them, is sedan wagon, no stop bracket, coupe convertible, stop bracket. Next difference is here at the top and how the top is formed. The first off actually will show the stainless trim that's pinched on. You can see on the sedan wagon goes down further than the coupe and is cut differently. Does the same thing at the top. Coupe convertible is cut off blunt, where the sedan wagon makes the triangle shape and keeps going up into the door. So again, coupe convertible cut off, sedan wagon keeps going into the door assembly, the door frame. Now, the main piece is this metal frame that the weather strip pushes into is different on sedan wagon and coupe convertible. And what is different is how it folds in right here. Again, this is the sedan wagon one. This is the coupe convertible one. See if I can compare here. The coupe convertible one folds over and in. The sedan one keeps going up. If you see too, the rubber seal is different. The rubber seal continues its travel up, and the metal piece sits on top of it, and then there's a screw right here. The coupe convertible, the rubber piece does not continue up, flattens out right here, and this piece folds over, and there is a screw right in here. So this is a big difference on these, is how the top is formed. This won't work on a coupe convertible. This won't work on a sedan. Now, can you modify these to interchange? I suppose it's possible. It's not worth the effort. Just find the right part. So that is the difference between the vent window assemblies with body styles in the 62 through 67 Chevy II Nova.